What's up, guys? This is my first time doing a trade recap like this. I usually do it just like on TikTok, but I feel like this is better, more informational, so you guys can see how I really think when I'm in the market, whenever market opens. Um, Start off day chart, right? Um, Huge push up last Thursday. We get a little, I wouldn't say consolidation, but we don't get a huge push on Friday, right? But then on Sunday night, last night, we get a um, huge jump at open, right? When I see that immediately, I'm like, all right, well, this is the 1 minute. We got this giant gap. We're obviously gonna, you know, come back into it and fill it, right? So we filled it all the way, which was this morning, right? We consolidated inside of it right before market open. We drop down, we draw liquidity right here, right here. But at the same time, we're filling in this void, this giant gap, right? We're filling in all the orders, right? It gets filled. As soon as it gets filled, there was a 4 hour gap down here as well that I wanted price to touch, but it did not need to go all the way down there. It'll just make things better. But yeah, we filled this gap right here, and then we get a 30-second and 1 minute inverse gap straight to these equal highs that are over here. So it's really it's super simple. Like if the simplest terms I can put it as is we have a higher time frame gap that we're dropping into, and then when you go on lower time frames, you use AMD, right? Consolidation, accumulation, right? Then we have expansion, which it breaks out of the accumulation phase, which we call manipulation. It breaks out, right? We have a draw on liquidity. It goes and hunts stops, then immediately reverses to go find this closest place um, to fill orders, right? Which is up here at this high and these equal highs and this high. And there's just so many resting stop orders above these highs that are coming down right here. Um, so after we take this out, there's only one way to go, which is up. And I put my trade in about right here, and I took out at the equal highs. So yeah, that was the trade for today, and I will be back tomorrow.